But what are we thinking about Molly? What are we thinking about Molly? I don't know why I just came with the random wig name, but I like it. I like it. Molly works. So Molly, okay. Just feel like. Hey guys, we're gonna get right into the video. Today we're gonna be using a unit from Eva Wigs. It is a short bob unit, and I love it. And you'll see why in this video. So it comes with a user manual for you to kind of get your information on it. It comes with a comb. It comes with a wig cap, which I liked a lot because your girl was running out. You know. And it also comes with, well, yes, the user manual again. We get it, Nyama. Come on, let's keep going. And it tells you the steps on how you can take care of your wig and use it. It also comes with some bobby pins because I'm always running out of those. And of course, the wig. So this is what it looks like straight out of the package. It comes with a hairnet to protect and preserve the hair. It comes with, well, it comes with the wig. So I'm just showing you what the insides of it looks like. It comes with this lace front. And as you can see, the hair is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked for your liking and for your convenience. It also comes with, I believe it's 4 or 5 combs on each side. That way you might not even need to use the bobby pins, which I like a lot about it. You can just kind of comb it in your hair. It'll just, you know, it'll work. Now, we're going to put this baby on the wig head and we're going to get started. So first I'm going to brush the unit. As you can see, it comes with a little bounce. It's already a little bouncy. I will prefer it to be nice and straight. It comes with a little flare. And I want it to be straight. So we'll flat iron it later in this video. But I did want to go ahead and start working on the baby hairs. Look at that, guys. Look at how the hairnet, the lace frontal, like just, I don't even know what I'm saying, but basically the lace frontal, it just kind of blends in. As you can see, it blends in with the mannequin head. So you can see that they did a very good job pre-bleaching the hair. And now onto the baby hairs, right? So I'm going to wet my baby hairs first. It's just going to be easier to lay it down. I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel. And I'm also going to use my razor comb to begin to cut the baby hairs. So what usually works with baby hairs is cutting, when you cut it with the eyebrow razor, make sure you cut it, don't cut it too short. The longer the better, and then obviously cut short as you go. But definitely don't cut it too short because you might cut it too short and then you will have nothing to work with. So I'm just going to do the same step again. And it's pretty simple after that. I use my toothbrush and I just continue, and I dip it in the gel. And then I just continue to just lay the edges down. See, this is hard, okay? Well, it's easy, but it's hard. I don't know. Like, there's an art to baby hairs, and I feel like people should take up a class on it because it's very, very important. Baby hairs must be laid in 2018. No ifs or buts. You know, unless you like your hairline to be natural, which I like to, for the natural girls. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that. But, yeah, so as you can see, this is what I did on one side, and now we have the other side to do. Now is on to customizing now my wig cap for my lace front. So this didn't work out too well. As you can see that? Fail. Yeah, Nee, let it go. Let it go, sis. Let it go. So I'm just doing that so there'll just be space for the lace front, the beginning of it. And now I'm using my Got To Be Glued to make sure that this baby stays on my head. And I'm also using my blow dryer to dry the hair so it can just, so the wig can stick to my head better. And now we're going to put Molly on. Yes, her name is Molly. I named her. Thank you very much. And yeah, we're just now going to place it on top of my hairline. And we're going to make sure that baby sticks. We need you to stick. Now, some of it got in my eye. Yeah, some of the Got To Be Glue got in my eye. Ooh, girl. Okay, just take a break. Take a second. Come back. Come back. Okay, I'm back. So we're going to put a bit more, but we're going to make sure the Got To Be Glue does not get in my eye. Very important here. I don't want to go blind shooting a tutorial. So anyway, girl, so now we're placing the wig on, and as you can see, all my baby hairs are gone. They're done. It's over. I did a lot of work for nothing, but I'm realizing with this unit, I didn't really need baby hairs. I just need a nice little swoop at the side because I'm going to wear it at the side, I'm going to wear it as a side bang, okay? So I didn't need baby hairs. So I'm also using my Got To Be Glued styling gel. Like, just slick it back, that way you won't really see it too much in my unit. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the 130 density unit, and it is 12 inches, and I kind of like it because she's natural. I feel like her name is like Molly or something. This definitely is that Dominican blowout kind of look. It's not too thick. It looks very, very natural. Now, what we need to do to this unit, we have just a little bit more work to do. So now, as you can see, I laid the edges, but they kind of came out, so I'm gonna have to lay them again. And I also kind of want to get rid of this hump right here. So I'm going to be using my hot comb to do just that. Now I'm loving how natural the closure part of it is, like the parting. I didn't have to touch it at all. I liked how they were able to plug the front of the frontal wig as well to make it natural. So really, I didn't have to do much work at all. So I'm really loving that. I don't know about y'all, but I hate having to do work with units. I hate having to pluck and tweeze and bleach and all that when it's just a lot of work. So I really love the fact that with this Evil Wigs wig, I didn't have to do much at all. At all, really. I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to pluck anything. And of course you can still do that, but I'm just saying that it's minimal work needs to be done on this unit. So I'm very, very grateful for that. So while we wait for our hot comb to heat up, I'm going to go in on these edges just a little bit, just a tad bit, to just kind of create like a natural little baby hairs. Because with this unit, I noticed that because it's a side part unit, and I think I'm just going to wear it as a side part unit, I don't really need to go in on the rest of my hairlines to create, you know, those swoop kind of edges, because that's what I would probably do with this wig. I don't really need to do that. I just need to kind of just create one swoop thing right here, maybe just a little bit, and maybe just another swoop right there, and then I'm good. I don't need to do too much with this unit at all. Another thing I like, less is more, baby. Especially when you don't have to do as much work. You feel me? Okay, so, ooh, this hot comb is heating right up. I can see the smoke coming out. Okay. Alright, you know, for that reason, I guess we want to just, I don't want to burn my place. So for that reason, I think let's start with the hot combing thing first. So I'm just going to hot comb this part of the wig because it's a bit of a hump there, which I don't really care for. So I'm just gonna flatten it. Okay, I also like the fact that using this hot comb kind of calmed down the flyaways it's using on the top of the hair. I'm also going to use like a frizz serum to calm it down a bit more. So use a little bit of this silk, New Shine and Jam Silk Edges. A little on my toothbrush. I want to be able to leave a little hair out in the front, like this. So you know, like how girls have conversations and they're just kind of like putting their hair back like that? Like I want to be able to do that. So just gonna leave a little hair out here. Just gonna flat iron. Kind of. What was that? Kind of spirits are hovering right now, but I rebuke it in the name of Jesus. Amen. I did not know what that was about. So like I told you guys, I flat ironed this hair a little bit yesterday because I noticed that when I took the hair out of the packaging, it had a little bounce to it and it kind of like curled up this way, sort of. So I want to be able to wear this unit like sort of straight, bone straight almost. Maybe with a little bump at the end, just a little bit, you know. You guys, when I tell you I'm so satisfied with this wig unit and I love it, and the fact that I didn't have to do much to it, oh my gosh, oh my goodness. So girl, what do we think? I love this. I love this bob. See, I already own a bob, but with that bob I usually kind of flip the hair back, so I've never really owned a bone straight bob before, and I'm here for it in 2018. I really am here for this style. So guys, what do you think? I'll have the hair description and where you can purchase the wig in my description box. But what are we thinking about Molly? What are we thinking about Molly? I don't know why I just came with the random wig name, but I like it. I like it. Molly works. So Molly, okay. Just feel like, ooh. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial on how I customize my lace front wig, especially when the closure, well, when the unit was pre-plucked and bleached, and that's what we need to be doing in 2018. We need to be buying wigs that kind of do the work for us, so we don't have to do that much work. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you know? So let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this and using more units that are pre-plucked and customized. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I actually want to do more of these. So let me know if you want to see more videos like this where the wig is already made, you don't have to sew anything, and things are kind of just done. You just need to customize it a bit more yourself. So let me know. Like I said, this unit is very affordable for what they're doing for you already, and the fact that it's 100% human hair and it's so soft and silky, your girl has no complaints. Okay, so I'm out. I'll see you guys in my next video and in my next hair transformation. Peace. Love you guys.